Sisenzo greeting on. Greetings everyone, welcome to another Molweni guys, welcome to yet another episode of Stoner Chats. I go by the name of Umilani, and today with me in studio I have the gorgeous, hot, dazzling honey. Usiya, say hi.
Hi my love.
Oh, and Jimble. Nganoyi. Sana show me namhlanje uqonda usithi Gucci from head to toe. Anifuna ungatsho? Uthini?
Always. Always.
Oh my gosh. Yo guys, and the right, yes? Like
Standard. Konit.
Thanda ntoni ke Gucci man?
Thanda abantu banemali bayithenga.
Banemali.
Banemali uyithenga.
Tell me, do you receive okanye we living in our money era?
Soza nga receive so bangayi.
Etika en.
Yo guys, usiya. Chami, usivizitele namhlanje. Simemile guys. Menu sit. The joker. Ngosintase man for honoring our request. Ba was a good namhlanje. But man, yo, I'm nangaske undi. Can't be deep to be like how do I come? Like the wrong guys. Yeah, bona le bona ina we endine. Yo. Chami nasababa clear skin.
Sabali Gucci.
Chami cause chima like how do you do it? Who is Sia? Who is Sia kanye? Slungu. Bundles depleted.
Wow. See ya guys. It's just an ordinary young woman, ne? Just an ordinary. I can't defense. I can't do wow. Just an ordinary, you know. And then I just moved to Cape Town. Obviously, Cape Town is there and there, you know, making, you know, life easier for us, for ourselves. So fine, and figure Cape Town in the Pangela like normal.
Yeah.
But you know what they say, if you got the look and the nyash, you're gonna get the guy that's, you know. So yeah, I just met the man of my life, and then Gucci, full price.
Love it.
Thank
for her.
you.
It's hang could not exist guys. Yo. I met the man of my life.
Yes.
Oh man was even Yo.
The man of your life in the world. Describe the man of your life.
What do you mean?
Like umchito njani? Like ufuna ndo umchiteni wena uzabe man of your life.
Love.
The qualities of chonga umchiteni.
First of all, love. They need to love me. And love umtu. Sana. The list goes on and on and on.
It's not just love.
Love language. No, but
love.
Besides that, look, money comes both sides. But I mean, a love language comes jita.
Money comes from
both sides.
Tina Chomi. Indoda must.
Okay.
Here we go. So, you need to tell by money must come both sides. You slash that show. Yo, we are slash that.
No.
Who text abana? Diabawela uza party.
Or Sabaweli wings.
And so Sabawel flying fish. Sabawel.
No man.
And then the director go guy. And let's was the chairman in this tangele. Tange girls are so fine. Funa bakhe sneak man le nto thina siva ngayo ibona lekudla ngothoma sama abajita sebhayi zingcovis ane but man namantombazana sebhayi
zingcovis.
That's why be quick ubona ingcovis because zibazizo
exactly.
Ngicela usabawela batyole bodwa.
Yeah,
sopopa kaloku
but no, definitely. Asabewele kungapopo. Ungaveza kungapopi kwanto.
Bathi bana ne. Mna ke I'm a lesbian, yabo. So hi.
Hi.
So ke ngoku Ngihlala yayibona mos ne nabana bafana. Avumfana athi yo asithi siyakondama nawe mhlawumbe singene mntase wa coke.
Okay.
Hleli isigenge phaka uthi yo sambawela mntana ufaka uGucci.
Okay.
Yaso thina isigenge yeke mntana mayingo wakho.
Miyeke gqitha. Phuma pha.
Ucinga yena nxibe uGucci kasesindoda.
Okay.
Siqomba yo. Kunethi kutheke wonke uGucci wamanyani. Mfuna la for Rondo because
kaloku Sabawell yena umjita kum.
But ke ngoku yena njengejonge wena ujongwe yiSabawell yegal.
Uyayibona?
Umjita uSabawell imali kaSabawell
You know.
So when Andy masithi uthethelela ke ngoku iigirls zaseBhayi. Are you guys really in-movist? As they say.
No comment.
PE man for you.
Is there a PE lady in the house? I think we will address this question to the PE ladies. Guys, amajita bathi bona no comment xa bebuza abana bazi-novists, ne? Nina, I like you ladies zase-PE.
Nithini nina?
Nithini bandla?
Ningosabaweli wings na.
Okanye niyayibheja indoda.
But ichere nomali sose ndiyeke.
Ichere nemali asozuyiyeke.
Yo,
But no comment.
Movies kaloku.
Okay, Chomya.
That's the answer.
But when awalindi kumambo ile.
As Usia said, money comes from both sides.
Yeah, sure.
So when I met Pauna, you can go do like a return the.
Yeah. So eventually now being a therapist, being utata, being a boyfriend. That's too much of a responsibility.
And then ngoku uyayazi musibane singafuneke. Naso. Ebekalo.
Too much, guys.
You man guys, we feel like that, but we feeling that in is a therapist, not that and
I got.
I feel like it's misunderstood a bit by. And it's understand, guys.
Tina as a females, as in understand.
Yeah. As far as you have to choose one. If you boyfriend and your data.
No, but wait.
Why
you data?
No, wait, I can answer this, ne? Like for example, ne? Andikhule ngaphandle kotata, ne? Like anatata. And then umuntu who played the father figure, like bephangele job ekubutwa like my late dad. Yabo. So ke ngoku njengese Joburg andimboni ixesha elininzi, yabo. So I'm going through the most days of his life. And then I met this guy. Yo, look. Yeah, yibona umuntu wami. My previous boyfriend. And then like for the first time in a relationship, I felt comfortable.
Okay.
You know? So ufumana isibana ezinye izinto ne unyanisile and like we do shame take men as like otata bethu. Because what?
Yeah, when I go, no, why are you going to the money?
Like my first umnane mphathanda iqala hloba but bona lanto uthethe ba yo ansefratsi ansazibawuli curls ne chomi yami inyanga yaphela I got curls like from the kutata amos lo uyandonda chomi like uyandonda uthengela curls ne dadlala guys, it's just love language. But anyway, but we say a feeling that me.
Yeah.
That's how we feel about the Machera Senpai.
No, but like to be honest, it's not even about Machera Senpai. It's about the amateur in general. Not onke, but amateur in general.
And in Funla, not onke, ne?
Not onke, guys.
Because
yo ibe dizzy betheke emotongeni baxa one thing beja mna yo the dizzy
B-men,
stay away.
she's met the love of her life. Please
taken.
Kuyabuza uthini yena. But anyway, ndithandile Chomi laa nto uthi bana we must choose one. That's for boyfriend, that's for that's kid, that's was kid. Like we can't.
And also, it's not something that we want. It's something that you guys give us.
Yeah.
But look, xa into ayiright imnandi. Uyayibona so uyaziva.
Even go like it's easy ufike tell uguy. I think that's where they feel like we sifila ngathi ngotata.
No, that.
Kumele sibana ndihleli nayo iveki yonke ne. But ngeweekend athe emajiteni like why?
Why majita 10?
Yeah, uyothina emajiteni like fumanise uba ndiyaqumba because uya emajiteni lunishelani.
Yes, guys, that's where we get comfort from Mama Chita. The relationship is last tayo, it's because of Mama Chita. That's if my advice
and you have not that that's what funa machita, ne? Okay, Sam, I think it depends on your circle.
Okay, yeah, no, definitely.
It depends on your circle.
Even a circular right is a naked
bicycle. Right, yeah. Okay. But Kaloko make me understand, ne?
Okay.
Like my sister can be introducing a Wednesday, but okay, weekend is a match day. Didiko, and then Friday came on I should maybe lose a match day.
Oh, so that's a problem. Friday, okay, yeah.
But also plenty weekend here.
Friday, I'm doing a pay to go there as a match day.
Discipline, why you're not disciplined?
No muzo ya na match day. Kakhe encha ye
Daddy.
Guys, I have a question for PE ladies.
Okay, Tina, we are not PE ladies, ne? But please. Like this is
for ladies in general.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, I love that part.
Tell me if I got to class, you pull a machita like it's on a Friday, like we communicated now on a Monday, baby. Friday months or pull a machita. Tell me if I got to class, you pull a machita.
I think yes, in Donny, from my perspective, Ane. Ka date time for more than over a year or two, and then usually we can spend and buy 2, and then we had by poor man the weekend we feel neglected. Like ibangati ukhetha majita over wena.
Communicating now clearly in advance that
it's okay. The feelings like that one thing we can't control. Even that time, this is something you should know, ne? If we like yakuthanda. Like fight or something. If she's not the one.
Can I tell you something? Between a matota and the ladies,
it's men.
And
it's men.
Guys, you couldn't shut down going no.
John.
Like
that's a feelings.
I'm a woman last minute.
Man, umbuzo wami into lento semachiteni. Why machita? Like nizothini?
Apha endlini, sahlala.
Mahlelen sonke.
The very same people or ladies who told me to bring my friends over.
Okay, that's not right.
In the girlfriend.
Yeah, it's fine.
No, man.
Bring your friends. Don't go to your friends when she. Either we go to your friends together or your friends
they come here.
Guys, get forward.
Masan, baby. Masan.
And mine.
Okay, but also, nathi ezikho siyadika. Ngokusesipha yeah, muthe ukhona ungenangqondo basiyadika. Not basinangqondo. Siyadika nathi ngendlela yobana sifike emajideni. Hlala. Masigoduke.
Baby, mfuna uhamba.
Masambe.
Yo. Okay, yeah.
Bese siyaphi?
If not ukundoda yakho, choose between me and alcohol ingaxoxela. Didn't get away.
No, but that's yeah, I can't tease. Must be family song.
I feel like that's controlling because of
kaloku umna nawe notshwala nekutya nemali apha endlini must be family.
Siblings.
Uyabona? Umali ngisibling ka alcohol njalo.
I can't is honestly.
I can't because
it's your boyfriend is like
because jonga if uyaqaphela ne njengoba mina nawe songu girlfriend and boyfriend we have food, we have alcohol, see happy, and then we do the deeds, see happy, which means zonke izinto zihambelana zonke. You can never let you like ask
if when I end come and didibene nawe ne as my boyfriend usela okanye uchaya or whatever, I can't in the like within the relationship ndixelele bana yekuchaya yekusela like ngoba ndikuvuma
yeah, no, definitely.
You know, I think that's Tina as females ngeyona ndawo siye sibe wrong kuyo leyo kakhulu fanele umntana abantu ufuna umtshintsha you know because ngoku you feel like
okay, I have another question. Let's say you're dating this guy but this guy is gay.
What? Why am I even dating you?
You're dating a
You
guy.
don't know
No,
he's gay.
listen.
You don't know who's gay.
You.
Umchita unazi qualities Grosmani, Ukrendi, but then Umchita
Ish.
after 9.
One.
But it cheating and yazi mhlambi nendim ne from ecaleni lam mna. Bona lana bathi teacher. Yo, Chomi, if you cheat on the cherry, it's fine. But cheater, yo,
No.
You slept with someone like it's supposed to.
But
feel the same way.
gay. Yeah, guys.
It's a lot, mnane.
Yo.
Nandam understand I'm now cheater or like or dating and girls, but after 9 because of the society.
Umzekelo jonga. Umzekelo en.
Community.
Ne, so sorry to the community.
Bye.
Ne?
Yeah.
City bye. Okay, but okay after 9 bye. It's fine. Didn't you understand? I'm not sure, guys, because of it. So no,
Umzekelo end ne. Umzekelo ne. PG. This show is for song PG.
yeah, but it's not for kids.
Yeah, PG. Umzekelo ne end, you'd have a guy. I'm a woman, right? You have a guy etibana. Ifuna A. And I'm thinking to myself, why?
Because
do you know how good Kushi is? Like, why do you want to have something else? We understand. Like, I'm off shame. Because I feel like knowing how Abanyaban to do things that are the opposite sex or whatever, and you're so like, no, you're so against. Why you want to practice the same things they practice? Oh, yeah, understand. There was an when a puma when get out of that cupboard because you are that.
Maybe the reason behind it, you have to hand up, but enjoy kuchi.
What?
It happens. Kucha's fun. Like he's looking for a reason to be in a relationship with you.
You are guys shame umna. I don't understand the A part. I think he understands.
But also it's not easy, guys, for a black man like to come out of the closet. It's not easy.
Okay, I'll make a typical example. Guys, in a Facebook and
yeah.
Picture got that kind of lungisa. Hey, the matter chonge na busweni. Ya bona matata zana ya matrasini man. Hey, the matida man.
That guy's
No, but he was concerned.
Now can I go back to like my statement? As a black man, will come out of the closet because you see the remarks. You're gonna get remarks, like it's not easy. Exactly. You're gonna get through as years for a couple of years after Pumi. Just in the just that simple thing. Opinions about the picture. Like because of the society and like the rules that as a set way. Like it's not guys. So we demand a lot, God does not needs. Like
so judge.
Yeah, actually.
So judge.
So judge I'm not so banditi hey kasana usiyana za chomza ke baya judge amanye abantwana. Kodwa nami leza bichomi seba judge.
Yeah.
Ngathi ndiye umdijonge ichere. Indlela jongana ngaye amani qondi.
No, but umbuzo wami, why is it normal for women uyenza lona but not for men? Anithandani nina. Uyohlala amajiteni for what? Kodwa anithandani.
Ngabona bathanda nayo kunathi. Amajita. Andazi ngamajita ayathandana kunamantombazana.
The reason why singane charge is because anganiculela usomagwaza.
Okay, we don't want to go there. We don't want to go there. But okay, we get it. Okay. As a been silly about it, but still, man. Rather love.
When the lens comfortable. Yeah,
yeah.
Uyaklanda and bana like umchit is not a black guy can't be a gay or bi because it's all lost on my class.
And the judge is sexual preferences is a machita. But if you tell you lana, it's asingenda out here.
Asingenda out, but sindelo thetha ngayo hey sana
but okay. But they also feel scared now mhlanje thina.
Why? Akangenanga sona kwazeni. Like why ngathi nahlale naye?
Uyakwazi usikwa.
Uyazibona zasenza.
Yazi nasecaweni. Sitaweni.
Otherwise, so
Okay, I'm actually Utawa bangumfundisi. Wenza izinto ezi-unfundisi. Uzosikwa ecaweni.
They do them njengoba
ebudodeni. Ba uzokwenza izinto ezibu-unbudoda. Uzawusika ubudodeni.
Usikelwa ntoni?
Because I was representing singamadoda.
Nifuna urepresent xa thina represent ubuqu bakho, bra. Why not represent omnye umuntu?
So why must everything be about y'all? Why?
Sata ufuna bayitshela
Ningenaphi nina? Ningenaphi?
Ufuna bayitshela kabe ufuna bayindoda.
Ndifuna lo mntu ndifuna uba nguye.
Ufundenza happy.
Sata kaloku before ehlathini.
I think we are not the best people who have the conversation now.
But also
because thina sayithathelela situation either way. Uyaybo?
Kaloku nina bathanda umntase.
Sichomzethu.
Comfortable ubunguye. Because I love butch, ndithanda naba family, ndithanda igame, ndithanda everything. Mina chomi ndathanda abantu. I love people. Ngoku xa uzobacala imagine go endine. Let's say ubuye ehlathini naye lo mntu mhlawumbi nisintoni like same year, same tonto ne abe nomgidi naye. And then aphume out of the closet, ne? Uyamazi. And then nasi hang out, ndiyakwazi, ne? You are my colleague. Ndize nechomi yami. Awuzomhlalisa kabuhlungu la mntu wena.
So guys, kula picture kaTaxani olungisa khona wrong niyibonileyo.
Ngibonanga nto wrong.
Thina singamadoda sibona into wrong ke thina.
Ne?
No, I think the fact that we are mentioning nayo lungisa bayandithanda. No, I banana na post. Any voice kaTaxani does not say that. It says it's a very strong man.
Wandi jonga sajongana. Watsho nomambuyi.
Waneyibulela ke yebo. Ay,
Guys, kunzima.
No Marianne ndiyandika wena.
Asikwazi bagqibela abantu nge-sexual preferences zazo. Ungahlala nomuntu we-straight namhlanje. Ngomso bawudecide ufuna usimthu kuye.
But like andizomenza comfortable nina. That's ndiyapho mna.
Okay.
Umuntu uzawudela but
let's say ubukwi relationship with this chick for 5 years. Yabo. It was good. Yabo. Like he was wrong lamchita when busy, but like for the first time you meet this girl, you like, I love her and I'm gonna let go of my bad ways. Yabo. Focus kuyu mama yonke into amachita amani bubo utywala benu man nezi camera zenu man kungu man guys and ndiyekeni mina, you know what I mean? Busy no mama straight you 5 years mama akawat ne cool. Umbuzo wami, what's going to be your comeback? Ne? Ubunazi comebacks before, but okay, you've been cheated on or whatever, whatsoever. Kwade wafeel like la end was why udumileyo. But now you let go of that, like umdala ngoku. You focus on this woman, born future man up. Yeah, what's your comeback? Dikiwa kuchol. Yo ay sana. Yo. Like betray beyond anything else. So betray ngayo before.
What way?
Like into deep man, it can be anything. And for to mention a into, and then when you feel like a week.
Mention anything.
Okay, let's say tonight you guys spoke about your plans and everything, and when are you gonna move? And Joburg, and all of a sudden you wanna move to Joburg. End of this month, you're moving to Joburg with her. And she's not convinced, and you like, oh, mama, Lomdana next week a chat.
But life yaqhubekeka.
But what's your comeback? Umzekelo, ezinye comebacks abanye abantu is when they actually change sexuality. Actually, men are trash.
As a PE
I don't have any feelings for men sexually.
As a PE girl.
But like I just said now, utiniwe.
So
basically when it's a for the rest of your life.
No, decide like la way lana it's not even about the coochie or indlela oniphatha ngayo like ikumla we ban decide share the 2 years in the favor decide ukuthi share man let settle down
yeah
ekhaya ufuna kube khona umuntu ozobaphekela setlishe dibana nalowo muntu mhlambi ndibona engathi ndiyamthanda amongst abanye so setlisha naye
kaloku lena endiyitshoyo bana ngulubu setlisha naye lo
safumana omnye
yo
life goes that's how life goes lo muntu uthandana naye ngoku ngishiyana ngomse there's nothing you can do about that
yo
guys life here for over life goes on
I think maybe you're one of the strongest people okay, who can think like that because maybe abanye
umna personally I think ndadlula kula phase yogowa especially the relationship stress go relationship like it's an affect la way okay until now 2 years of maybe okay so go and so you are on the grave so we na bana ngoku ndiko so for us Dyans life ambo lo hlobo
okay
hey
please guys anidinwa shem
yes Dyans so phumule ecebo lethu kanye avpop
yes
asoze siphumule saphila bemhlabeni
yo siqolo qotsha libanana chom
eyiva umane kuthiwe sombekela ngeni
nizimpukane axesha uyiplane impukane kuyo ucinezeleke ishiti ingathandi yazi bekwitrack
yina sizawuphila until ibhanana
kuthiwe bethune isonka sakhe sicubheni
yenina futhi bezalo yogathi ungakunika ibanda
ungakwazi noyibiza ibhanana uthi inana lena umqola xesha ukombe yazo shem zofa open bakhila abantwana ndiyaqina yabona bese kungaba ezindoda ezamajita sephayi ayisakungabo
yo guys
ufezo luqatsile kuright
ufezo luqatsile
kodwa nizamskeya phaxa exotsha lamabhalana naxa ebhuza zimpukane
indoda efanga la way yabephayi
nimshiye nithi mbonile
okay
into yethu leya yabo
Oh.
sihlala lezinyaweni zayo but sifunda something sifunda icondom yabo as much as simjudge but siyafunda from actions zakhe
okay but which means kaloku anizofanelela qha bebelilo yena because kaloku nina nifunde icondom
soba amaqhawe nathi
entweni
so reaches the numbers zakhe masithi yena
Body count.
hayi body count yethethe yabo masithi simeshe 100 singasimesha 120 before sisweleke holy yethu leyana
hayi
for instance as a guys being a guy if it's tough like you get pressure from your older brothers and cousins like
good pressure
like
what
still in primary school but yabuza ukuthi Nigeria
okay yeah
now you're going back
Yeah.
to that why kunzima ukumake up a
what
team
the fuck is that for instance umna nabani nawa okay my older brother's son is still in primary school but yabuza lona uNigeria hayi bhuti ndingenxa yalotho ongayifuni cherry yeah abantwana besikoleni kanobiza bayanibaleka what the fuck so society sikhula kuyo leyo indlela esikhula ngayo SPE Dyans usakhula bayagruma abakhulu aba soba week soba week bese ifuna SPE Dyans ityane week soba week it doesn't matter but the fuck
then ityane week
week benzabuza ba ompu week
definition
ityane like engenansebenzo awunansebenzo kokwenu awuphangeli awunacherry awunachomi sohlala nabantu
okay
nawo thina week hlala thina hlala motyana
like you have nothing to talk about basically
yini uthi xa uthethwa two guys kanti mina masithethe into eziserious yokunikeni yasibona zanto
but you're not answering my question
week lona
week kaloku uthi mina ne
anihlali namadoda week
ewe uthi guy week guy engenacherry engenansebenzo engaphangeliyo engenazichomi ne because anihlali naye nina kuba week now what is the reason emenza abe week ukuze nina ningahlali naye Am I making sense?
No, you've answered that. I think we'll understand sikuvile ba wena uthi why that person is weak because akanantsabeza kanandona.
And then wazothi
akanasichomi. That's fine. But umbuzo wami, what if there is someone ne apikijana ezaziyo ba lo muntu akanazo zazinto but still feels like alamntu akakho weak. You understand what I'm saying? Like why wena do you feel like because that person does not have those things they are weak? I think that's the question.
I'll tell you something about PE cans, like to simplify everything. If I was weak, that's just how it goes.
Okay.
If I was weak.
Okay, masithi ke ngone if awuvuse emajiteni.
Uthi emajiteni.
Okay.
Tsalo ngembume le nto leni kipita. On Friday, kodwa sell beer thina ayitsha leya.
Okay, yeah, makes sense because ekugqibeleni akho ndoda efuna uncuvwa ngenye indoda. So obviously weak kaloku. And ke uzawujama amajita uzofuna uhlala nawo. That makes sense.
And siyayithuka sifanisa nento yonke.
No, but question is why do you feel like there's a woman behind the decisions? Why?
Like that's disrespected to
in most cases, that's how it goes. But
if in this case, decided ubawela ngokusave imali.
Yeah.
Mhlawumbe ufuna uthenga indlu, okanye uthenga imoto, okanye ufuna ukwenza like into azoyibona. So I decided to cut less on spending stuff.
Okay, yenzeka lolo but asifuna uyiva lo.
Niyabona ba nimdelile umuntu nidelile.
Exactly.
Yenzeka lolo but thina singamadoda.
Nizamutha akwazi ukuthatha decisions.
Thina singamadoda asifuna uyiva lo.
So nina nifuna ukwakhana.
Mamela, alright umchito save imali uqhiba hlale kokwabo angayithabela. Umuntu umuntu save imali enza izinto eziright kokwabo.
Okay.
Utywala bethu.
Oh. Okay, no, makes sense.
Okay.
Makes sense.
Nayo umuntu save imali akhitha ngokwabo emakwethu khomacingo namaplanga but uselutywala bethu nasingakwisinayo.
Okay, no, makes sense. But also iyadika lento yenu bana ningakwazi uqaphela into bana lo selutywala beni because inokhitha ngopha kokwabo. Why wena ungasuka ukhitha? Awufuni ulikhitha. Hey, awuzimiselanga ntweni basically.
Mamela guys, ithango lasekhaya ngamaplanga enithango lasekhaya lenhluphi. Ba wena is my neighbor liyakuhlupha hambe uyolika.
No, Sukvi.
Yeah.
So basically you tell me.
Ithango likabikho ku-plans zami.
Okay.
Into isemntwini mos. Wena is my neighbor yabona ba you hayi man uEndu uyaphangela ngoku. Suppose ukhitha ngokwabo. But ithango likabikho ku-plans zikaEndu. Wena is my neighbor ubona ba suppose ndikhitha.
Exactly. Makalikhe yena ne.
And iyaqala kuthiwa kukho abantu like ezabantu ne. Mhlambi isituations azifani siyaphangela soyithu ne. But mina ndiphangelela.
Kuki salary yokho ikhaya ne salary yo ilaluthini. Yeah. No, we get you. We get you.
Ayifana ibhadlela ngqoba ithethe. You ibhadli.
No, but I think problem yam naye khanga ibeke kula point obana kuki salary yokho ikhaya ne salary. Engathi yena ufuna ibhiya.
But along the way, ne? Class salary. Yovusa ikhaya ne salary yeno. Nalapha kule yovusa ikhaya chomi uyafuna ususe za stress ba andinamali ke ngoku. Ngoba mhlambi ila zadamba izithu kanye
yabo. Ufuthwana ungazugowa.
Abantu bame ngalami bebekubona cho ngiphethe idambi yesavane one bathi, "Oh, mjonge, ithango liyawo kodwa uselutywala." They don't know.
Guys, nicho bayisetshana nizonijaja.
Yo.
Yazi thina ezamadoda asakwazi ulobola nowadays.
Because of it drinking consumption years.
Not because of it drinking consumption years. Masiti decide to vilana zokulobola we made up. Fast we 5 years ngoma amandithi xesha sikulu. Ibeke 10k. After every 2 months ibeke 10k. Kwa wena ndiyaxelela bandine 10k uvuna iwings kula 10k yaman baby. Masami siye coffee kama siye white tiger kama siye beer shake mani ufuna ukwenza i-dams i-photo dams yabo utshekwa kule mali lobola la mali at the end of the day uzayikhiphela uzakulobola ngandoni ukuthi nguwe la mali.
I think
indoda useless.
No, I think a mistake mistake mdaseyalondo is that I feel like izinto ezinjeyana, it's planning that you as a man need to do for yourself and with yourself. Ne? Why? Because you are saving money to marry someone or to marry your person that you have. Ne? But it does not mean you are going to marry the person that you have. Because I want to get married, and ready. But even after the 3 years, they're born ready because like I actually want to start having a family and everything. But yeah, so imagine you've included her. Kwezi plans alo mtshato wena ufunayo sozuchate mdas, because ekugqibeleni, knowing women, I am one fully 100%. Knowing women, if umdas yena kayifuni lonto, she will destroy yonke lonto leyo. If yena kayifuni, dithi kuwo uzasifuna za wings ezadampu uzithethayo, uzosifuna knowing very well that bana siplanela uchata. Because yena akafuni uchata nawe, akafuni uchata kwa uchata ye, which means abonzo phela ungachati wena. Kanti yena ngomsubstitutile yena, but ibudget yakhe igcwele tata.
Guys.
Between ladies and gents, khona selfish.
It's men. It's men. Men are selfish. Men are selfish.
What do you mean awuvumi?
Umzekelo, just dip kancinci kule topic ne about men being selfish. We are the beings that carry beings.
Oh,
but y'all will be so selfish not to understand the whole process. Angena deep. Ungasa phandle.
Just a hint, a small example, ne? Okay, reason why the person loved, you know what they said? I was young back then. How old was I? Dude, I had to adapt to being a mother and like doing things that mothers do.
Yeah.
Okay, before I say anything.
No, Charmin is selfish.
Selfish.
Before I say anything. Before I say anything. Kata is.
Okay, and then this is a farm. Sorry, guys.